Hey everybody, Casey here. Today we're going to go over 200 Tron is the name of the site. So right now it's 20% daily ROI. We'll take a look at the contract. I always suggest everybody take a look at the contract. Currently has 54 point basically 3 million TRX, so that's about $1.5 million at the current rate. It has just taken off like crazy. So, the contract is actually, the code is hidden. You can kind of look through what you can read and write. So, list withdraw. Most of these are just calls. List deposits. Owners. Get withdrawal amount and get now. Alright, write contract. Bet and BT. Referral. Set band. I don't know what that is, and I don't know what forward is. So that's kind of the downside with this contract. Is you really don't know what exactly is going on. So I've got some buddies in it. Mr. El Macho, the Great and Powerful, is in it, and he's been running it for, I believe, here, let's see. He's been in it for, I'm gonna say 6 to 10 days. I don't know. He's got some pretty hefty investments in it now. He ran some smaller ones. I told him I wasn't gonna do this one ever because I was in Bankatron, and now here I am. So they only run for 10 days. You get 20% a day for 10 days. So, let's see. They do have 300,000 TRX up for grabs for referral contest. They have a Persian and Spanish language available if you want to do that. Here's their investments, and you could do withdrawals. It shows actives, incompletes, referrals. I will have my referral link below the video. Let's see what this is. Oh, so they actually put your referral code in, so if you want to do some banner advertising, that's kind of pretty cool. And then they have a little short how it works, and then some videos if you want to watch some videos. Actually, I got a good chunk of videos. What is that? Videos from our 100 plus investor. So we'll see how that goes. I'm going to do this one the same way I'm doing Bank of Tron, and I'm going to do 1,000 a day. So it will take, I think I closed my spreadsheet already, but so 10 days. So after 5 days, it's going to be paying for itself. And then it's just how long till it stops paying for itself. So at the most I'll ever have is 5,000 upside down in it. Because other than that, it should be paying it for itself and working itself back off. So we'll see how it works out for me. Right now with the huge upswing, it will take a little bit for it to run out. So let's go ahead, we'll hit the invest. My little request signature box pops up. Hit accept. Alright. Countdown timer. So 10 full days left. I believe these are the different days. I can withdraw any of these at any time. So it does have each investment separated like this, so you could do withdrawals just on one contract if you want. and not all of them all at once. So within 10 days I should have 2,000 TRX. So every day I'm going to add 1,000 to this, and by day 6 I should be getting, what is that, 6, 1,200, so yeah, about 1,200 I believe a day from this thing, and just let it keep rolling. So we're going to roll, baby, roll. Alright, if y'all have any questions on this, let me know. I will do my best to get you any answers I can answered. Any questions? Wow. Any questions that I can answered. If you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube video or to my channel. Talking is rough today. Make sure you subscribe and like this video if you can. I will try to keep y'all updated on this one as I can. Alright? Y'all have a awesome day, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.